1번. 대화를 듣고 새로운 영어 선생님이 누구인지 그림에서 고르시오.
Have you heard anything about our new English teacher?
Yes, people say he's very intelligent. What else have you heard?
I have seen him once.
Oh, what does he look like?
He looks in his early 40s. He's rather thin. His hair is kind of short. He's wearing a long-sleeved shirt, white pants. He's also wearing glasses.
Oh, he must be a dandy.
(2번) 다음을 듣고 물음에 가장 알맞은 대답을 고르시오.
What's your mother like?
(3번) 다음을 듣고 여자의 태도로 적당한 것을 고르시오.
Waiter, this steak is well done. I ordered mine rare.
I'm terribly sorry. I'll change it for you.
Thank you. Please hurry. I don't have much time.
It'll be ready in 5 minutes.
(4번) 다음을 듣고 내용과 일치하는 그림을 고르시오.
Both of these drivers are good. Both have fast cars, but one of them is driving a little better and faster than the other is. We cannot be sure which of them is going to win the race, but it looks as if number 3 is going to win.
(5번) 다음을 듣고 여자가 타려는 비행기의 시각을 고르시오.
I want to go to Miami. What time is the next flight?
Sorry, there is no flight to Miami today. The next one is tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning.
Is there a flight tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, there is one at 12:20.
Thanks. I want a one-way ticket for the flight, please.
Thank you.
(6번) 다음을 듣고 이 대화가 이루어진 장소를 고르시오.
I'm looking for a good buy.
How about this truck?
How much is it?
$5,995.
How many miles does it have on it?
About 50,000.
I'll take it.
(7번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 지불해야 할 금액을 고르시오.
Next, please.
How much is a letter to Singapore?
Airmail or sea-mail?
What's the difference?
Well, let's see. Sea-mail costs 40 cents for a letter and takes about 10 to 14 days. And airmail costs 50 cents for a letter, but will probably get there in 3 or 4 days.
I want it to arrive as soon as possible.
Then you'd better send it airmail.
Okay.
(8번) 다음을 듣고 무엇에 대한 말인지 고르시오.
From man's earliest days, the flight of birds has raised his wonder and desire. Why should he not fly as they did? Then he began to experiment. At last, he learned how to make the right machines to carry him through the air. Now, he can fly faster than sound.
9번. 다음을 듣고 여자가 잔디를 깎지 않는 이유를 고르시오.
Why aren't you mowing the lawn?
I'm watering the grass.
I can see that, but why aren't you cutting the grass?
I couldn't find the lawnmower.
It's in the garage.
No, that one is broken.
십 번. 다음을 듣고 남자의 기분이 어떤지 고르시오.
Is Lisa there, please?
Sorry, she's in a meeting.
She's always in a meeting. This is the 6th time I've called.
Would you like to leave a message?
Have her call me back.
십일 번. 다음을 듣고 두 사람의 관계를 가장 잘 나타낸 것을 고르시오.
Yes?
Excuse me, there's a Mr. Smith on the line. He says he is your friend. Do you want to talk to him?
No, have him call back later. I'll be in a meeting with Dr. Jason now until 12 o'clock.
I see, Mr. McDougall.
십이 번. 다음을 듣고 남자가 경영하는 회사의 직원 수가 얼마나 되는지 고르시오.
I've heard you run a shoe factory. How many employees do you have?
About 200.
How much do your employees earn?
From $150 to $300 a week.
How many hours do they work?
40 hours a week.
Thank you for this interview.
Not at all.
십삼 번. 다음을 듣고 남자가 전화를 건 목적을 고르시오.
Seaview Motel, how can I help you?
Do you have a room for Wednesday the 10th?
Yes, we do. What's the name, please?
Mortis.
And what time do you expect to arrive?
About 11 in the evening.
십사 번. 다음을 듣고 물음에 답하시오.
John works at Mr. Pizza House. He works 6 hours on Monday, 4 hours on Tuesday, 3 hours on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. How many hours does he work in 1 week?
십오 번. 다음을 듣고 무엇에 대한 설명인지 고르시오.
The teams are divided evenly, 9 players on each side. Each has at least 3 chances. When there are 3 outs, the teams should change positions, with the batting team going to the field.
십육 번. 남자의 질문을 듣고 이어질 대답으로 알맞은 것을 고르시오.
How long have you lived in this apartment?
For about 4 years.
Where did you live before that?
십칠 번. 남자의 질문을 듣고 이어질 대답으로 알맞은 것을 고르시오.
It's a beautiful day. Let's go out.
Where should we go?
Why don't we go to the Tower of London?
십팔 번. 다음을 듣고 질문에 알맞은 대답을 고르시오.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a shirt.
What size are you?
Medium.
The shirts are here.
Thank you.
Question. Where does this conversation take place?
(19번) 다음 5쌍의 대화를 듣고 표현이 어색한 것을 고르시오.
1. I'm going to the beach. I like swimming.
Oh, do you?
2. Will you help me after dinner?
Okay, maybe I can.
3. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some wine.
4. Would you mind closing the window, please?
No, I would.
5. Jenny makes $200 a week. Jack makes $150 a week.
So Jenny makes much more money than Jack does.
(20번) 다음 그림을 보고 그림의 내용과 일치하는 것을 고르시오.
1. The egg is between two cups. 2. The egg is on the left side of two cups. 3. The egg is on the right side of two cups. 4. 2 eggs are far from a cup. 5. The cup is between 2 eggs.